Hi, I'm Saurabh. Today I will gonna show you an advanced version of convert currency to words using Excel VBA functions. In this advanced VBA function, we can convert Indian rupee INR, Bangladesh Taka BDT, and American dollars USD. In the case of dollars, it shows up to 14 digits, which is 10 trillion, and in the case of rupees and taka, it shows up to 12 digits also, which is 10 kharabs. Also, it shows the fraction amounts. You can use it in many ways like making invoices, receipt vouchers, payment vouchers, etc. Just click Alt plus F11 to go to the developer console and paste the code I provided by inserting a module. Don't worry. See in the description of this video for the code. You can use it even if you are not a VBA developer. Now come to the Excel sheet. Put the formula is equal to SPE number advance, cell which you want to convert, currency name. You can provide INR, USD, and BDT for the currency which you want. Bang! You get the result as you desire. Please subscribe to our channel for this kind of video and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our updates. Thank you for watching.